Whew. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 416. 1 minute to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, or this contest and these prompts and so forth. And let me know in the comments whether you think they will add random system tests that fails your code even though your code is correct, because they've been doing that a lot lately because they don't know how to construct proper inputs before the contest, right? Apparently. I mean, I don't know. That's what it seems like to me. But anyway, we do have about 30 seconds to go before we kind of take part in this contest where the rating doesn't mean anything because it is all about the trust in the admins. And the admins, they just add random things wherever they want. It's all subjective, or maybe not all subjective, but it's too subjective because they just add random things, and and if you're unlucky, you just get unlucky. So rating is a lot RNG nowadays, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, we have 4 seconds to go. Let's see if RNG is lucky with me today. And yeah, let's go. We have two problems that are another double problem because Leetcode is too cheap to come up with 4 different problems a week. Anyway, let's see. Maybe I misread it. Who knows? It's such a weird problem. It's a weird problem. Okay, fine. Oh, I see. That is gonna be a binary search maybe, but yeah, okay, fine. Who knows? Maybe this will time out because Leetcode is silly. 10 to 20 should be good enough. If we can do this, then we try something smaller. I don't think I need that actually. So we have time. Square root of time times n. It's going to be big, so we need something bigger. I mean, it's not hard. It's just math. Okay, so it's going to be Okay, so it is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 all the way to, what is that math? So okay, so then that's just x times some m plus m times m plus 1 over 2 is less than target, right? Something like that. So to calculate m, max is not quite right. What we want is height removed. Oops. So then now total, if this is good, then we try show the time. Okay, so then now we have this thing. Right. And then now we have x, so then it's just how many people got this already? 32. Am I doing this well? Is there an analytical way of doing this? Maybe do this faster. Am I thinking about this wrong? Ten to the 5th times log n is, that's a lot of operations though, right? And they could always add stuff. Yeah, maybe it's fine. I don't know how to solve this though. How many points is this? 5? I think this is a 5-pointer, so okay. It's just quadratic equation, right? So then now we have, that's ridiculous though, right? Like, am I being ridiculous? How do I prove? Can we do heap? Is it a heap problem? I don't know. It may time. So many doubts. I think that's why. I mean, okay, let's just try heap. Oh no, it's simultaneous, right? So can you do heap? Maybe not. I mean, we could solve with this in binary search, but that also sounds kind of funky. All right, fine. Okay. What are we solving for? So okay, so if x is the worker times, we're trying to calculate what the m is, right? It's going to be n times, I don't know, this is also a lot of binary search, a lot of things, a lot of operations. It's simultaneous. The binary search is on. No, that's not true. Oh wait, did I mess this up? This is ×2, not plus, not this. Oh man, Larry. So it's x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x is less than target. Okay. Right. So then this is just m plus times m plus 1 over 2 times x is equal to target. So then now it's just target over x times 2. So then you have this, right? I misread this. Okay. So for 3 it is 6, right? So 3 times. Okay, yeah, plus 1 is fine. So this is this. And that is just I mean, is it still just quadratic equation? My computer is crashing a little bit. It's very slow for some reason. I should have restarted my computer. Okay, so then you have. Am I right? Is it still just heap? I think this is still just heap, though. Maybe that's why. Yeah, I think this is just heap. I mean, you could do it this way, but I think it's just heap. I am just being dumb. And then now we just want and today my brain is not functioning, apparently. I want a min heap, right? Okay, yeah. So now we want the current work and then the increment. right? Because it is always going to be the max. And then now we want $285. That's definitely not right. Oh, is this plus this? Not just that, right? So then this is this. So this is starting. Something like this. I mean, I think it's not that much more, right? Three 12:15. All right. I don't know if this is fast enough. We'll see. I thought it would be too slow, honestly. That's why I didn't do it. All right, how are we doing on time? Q4. People already got it. 102 of you already got it, so I'm really behind today because I just doubted myself on the timing on that one. That is also another impossible to guess problem, right? So I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong because I analyzed it incorrectly. All right, focus. Word 1, word 2. To have word 2 as the prefix. X number of radic of substrings of word 2. Okay. So we're okay, so ABC. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, substrings, not sub. Okay. Oh no, but you could rearrange them, right? That's the point. Yeah, okay. I mean, this is... Oh, well, people are very fast on this, actually. Maybe not, I don't know. What's the difference? Is it just a bigger... I mean, I guess that's nice, but that's dumb still. Okay, anyway. Is it a set function thing again? So basically, we ask... Yeah, okay. We just need a thing, right? Okay, f is equal to collection start counter of word 2, right? And then we want what should we call it? Factorial. Is there not a mod thing? Oh, I guess substring is never going to be mod. But do I not need factorial for this? I don't know. Well, oh, it's only up to 20. No, that's not true. Maybe not. Maybe I don't need. Maybe I don't know. What am I doing? Okay. And it's substring, not just. It's not the count. It's a substring. So it's a sliding window. Right? What does sliding window look like? So then you minimize. everything before that is fine. That's the minimum requirement. Yeah, okay, so that's why it is not n factorial, because it doesn't. Oh yeah, because it's rather not count the number of things. Okay. Yeah, I was too slow on Q2. I was just confused by it. For x in word 1. Right. Yeah. Okay, and then now we want to say but we actually want f is equal to word 2. Okay, so it's 10 times bigger, so I can't do the thing. It's just the thing, the trick with the thing, right? So then this, we just do then we have to count. How do we I mean, this is pretty straightforward, I think. So we only care about current in C, right? Yeah. Say in F. Then now, if C of current is greater than 0, we just subtract it. Otherwise, C of current, then it is going to be negative. Or now it's going to be 0, right? So then now if C of current negative 0, yeah, I don't. Else extra of current increment by 1, say, so we could have it later. Okay. If it's equal to 0, we delete it. Okay, so that's the increment. And then now, okay, so then now, if length of C is equal to 0, then now the left side is going to be good. So then it's so then left is the number of things, right? So count is going to be, you go to left plus 1. Yeah. How do we know when to increment? Oh, decrement. Okay, so then. No, I don't want this. I want something like, well, length of C is equal to 0. We increment. Right, so then current is equal to word 1 dot left. And then now we go, if current in extra, we just subtract it back. If extra of current is equal to 0, we delete it. Okay. Otherwise, then we want to add it back to C. So C of current is equal to increment by 1. That's only if we care about it. So if current not in F, we continue, I guess. Okay, so then now yeah, okay. And then now we're done, then left is going to be the thing, right? Okay, so before we do it, we go, okay. Now, what do we want? Exactly. Because you want to shrink. Okay, otherwise then okay, yeah. So, okay, yeah, I see. So then now, if right minus left is greater than the number of characters, is going to be one is greater than length of word 2, then we just add left plus 1, right? Something like that. 302, that's not right at all. We have and then so we go all the way. Okay, so we go enough characters, but that doesn't mean that this was done before. Right, because okay, so we have 3 characters, we have some stuff. So we have to trigger it once, right? I guess if good, this is fine. Left actually is going to be the one over it, so I think this is fine. 110 0. Yeah, let's YOLO it. I think this is mostly right. Maybe not. I don't know. Am I? Yeah, okay. I think this is linear too, so I think this should work. 110 0. Let's see. If it times out, then you know Leetcode just sucks. Yeah, I mean I took too long on Q2. I think I just misunderstood what Q2 was. Did someone get in 2 minutes because of ChatGPT? I thought I saw someone with 2 minutes. Oh no, that was 5 minutes. I just misread. Yeah, I mean this was not a hard one, but I probably should have gotten it much quicker. Q2 kind of what was that? Was it fading in and out? Did I take 12 minutes here? 12 minutes feels kind of long, honestly. Maybe not. I mean, I was kind of dingling a little bit. Q2 felt much longer, but I thought I needed to do it the other way. Yeah, I thought it was binary search. Maybe this just grows fast enough, but I don't see how, honestly. But yeah, I don't know. Is the 263 accurate? I don't know. It only goes up to like 200 now anyway, right? So I guess so. I am very much slower than the top 200. Yeah, I mean, I think we have a... I mean, I know that this only does 10 to the 5th times log this, but there's no way to think that, you know... I mean, I debated it for so long. That's 10. I guess 10 is fine. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just too cautious about running times today. Should have gone that one quicker. Q3 is fine. I mean, Q4 is fine. I don't know. I don't know if this was 5 minutes ago. Maybe, I mean, I guess if you really believe that this was a heap, this was, I guess, 25 seconds ago. I don't know. I probably could have done it. I just didn't think. It also doesn't sound like a 5-pointer, honestly, but yeah, I don't know. Misread some stuff, and I took my time on Q3, but I don't know. This was a very dumb problem. I don't know. I feel like Leetcode is just being lazy though. Q3 and Q4, is it really necessary? I don't even know the slower way. I guess the slower way is just times it by 26. But and Q2, I don't know what they want. It's such a tight bound. Yeah, maybe it's not. But that's the thing, right? Is that Leetcode can make a lot of problems fail if they really want to. So then it's like, well, you know, what does it mean? I don't know. I don't know. It's just silly these days. Yeah, I mean, hey, look, surprise. Our Yan Shan in orange is doing the cheating trick again. You can do what you like, but, you know, do all the shenanigans and still cannot buy a win. That's what happens sometimes. I don't know. I'm just trying to see if I have anyone to shout out, but maybe not. Don't see anybody. I was very slow today, though. I don't know. Wait. Also, like, this is like the names are shortened for some reason. So I think this is yeah. Props to Leetcode. I was taking my time to make sure that I didn't make any silly mistakes, which usually works. But the prompt today was too easy. Because usually I probably expect it to be a little bit harder. Like, I knew how to do both of them immediately, but I was just trying to be careful. Yeah. All right. Well, I don't. It's hard to tell who these people are because it's not. It's like half handle, half whatever. So it's hard to give shout outs. So if I miss your name, and also like, you know, this is the light mode or the dark mode, which I don't know. It hurts my eyes a little bit. I know some people complain about it, but that's just me, right? So yeah, I don't know. That's all I have with this one. That's all I have for this contest. What a waste of time. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye bye.